If you are a photographer, your dream must be to buy this one. But what about the budget? That's why I have this homemade telescope, just 5000 rupees, more powerful than any other telephoto lens. In this video, I'm gonna show you power of my homemade telescope. Well, this is my setup, an eyepiece attached with my smartphone with a smartphone adapter, and right now I have pointed my telescope towards that coconut tree, and with K25 eyepiece I'm getting this view. Just look at that, I just can't grab those coconuts. But see the field of view with 25 eyepiece, because my telescope focal length is 900 millimeters, and if I divide by 25 I'm getting 36 times, so more field of view and less magnification. So if you are watching nearby objects like birds and bigger objects like galaxies, nebula, star clusters and even a full moon, you are going to use a low power eyepiece because such objects need a low magnification with large field of view. With this K4 eyepiece, I got this field of view, very narrow field of view with great magnification. And such magnification you can use for planets and even for moon craters. So if you divide the focal length of your telescope with this number on the eyepiece, you are going to get a magnification. This great man who invented the telescope, and it was used to see troops in an army. But Sir Galileo was the first person to point the telescope towards the heavens, and we are going to see the same things what Galileo observed 400 years ago. Beautiful. So right now I have pointed my telescope towards the moon, and I can see full disk of the moon because this is a low power eyepiece and I can see all the craters from North Pole to the South Pole. That's beautiful. So this is the smartphone recording which I am showing to you, and the live view is just amazing. I can't even explain this. I can see the dark side of the moon and full disk of the moon with a crescent moon and all the craters illuminated by the sunlight. That's epic. And I can see a small star just above the moon, and the view is amazing. Of course, a telephoto lens will not give you this much beautiful views because I have seen most of the telephoto lens comes with 600 focal length, which cost around 1 to 2 lakhs, but this is just a 5000 rupees telescope and has a focal length of 900 millimeters. So you can think of buying a telescope and explore the moon or any other distant objects with great magnification. So I attach my DSLR to my telescope just like a telephoto lens and capture high resolution images like this, and I can say my telescope is a mirror based telephoto lens designed by Newton. So those telephoto lenses are just fancy high quality refracting types of telescopes, and nowadays companies are moving towards the mirror based high quality lenses just like my telescope, and I will say happy mirror imaging and scrap all the lenses, and what I will say, subscribe to this channel and thanks for watching.